The biggest mistake people make after finishing their first bike race isn't slacking off. It's immediately signing up for something twice as hard. You finished your first event and you're hooked. But here's the trap. You don't need to jump from a 50-miler straight to unbound gravel to prove you're progressing. Instead of just adding distance, pick your second race using a targeted goal. For most busy adults, focusing on finishing the same distance with less fatigue or at a slightly faster pace builds the best long-term foundation.
Let's match the event to your experience. If you loved the festival vibe of your first race, but hated being shoulder to shoulder, look for another rolling enclosure event. Think regional gravel or mid-distance Fondos.
Conversely, if you loved the high intensity but felt sketchy in corners, don't jump into a massive regional road race. Try a Tuesday night training crit or a Zwift Racing League block. Build racecraft where the stakes are lower. If you just want to bury yourself without pack dynamics, local time trials or hill climbs are the best kept secret for busy adults. It's just you, the clock, and pure pacing without the crash risk. How long should you wait between events? The mistake people make is racing again next weekend. For a recreational rider, give yourself 4 to 6 weeks. That's enough time to recover, train your weaknesses, and taper without burning out. For race 2, pacing becomes critical. If you're upgrading your tech for 2026, a mid-tier computer with climb pacing features is plenty. Don't overspend on flagship models just yet. When browsing BikeReg, pay close attention to categories. Always look for novice, Category 5, or citizens races. Don't let your ego put you in the Masters 35 Plus open field, where the speeds are punishingly fast. Here is a very sensible, low-stress progression for a recreational rider's season. It mixes endurance with intensity, keeps costs manageable, and prevents cycling from taking over your entire weekend schedule.
Your actionable step right now: go find an event 6 weeks out that fixes one specific thing you disliked about your first race. Racing should be a fun challenge, not an expensive stress machine.
Pick a sensible goal and enjoy the ride.